Hello students, welcome back in your science class. Hope you all are studying well. Today I am going to start first chapter of physics, coal and petroleum. We use many materials for our basic needs. Some of them we get from nature and some made by human efforts like air, water, soil and minerals. All these we get from nature. So these are the natural resources. Can air, water, soil and minerals be exhausted by human activities? On the availability of various resources in nature, natural resources can be classified into two categories. Natural resources classified into two categories. One is inexhaustible natural resource and other is exhaustible natural resource. Exhaustible natural resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not exhausted by human activities like sunlight, air, these are inexhaustible natural resources because they are present in unlimited quantity in nature and not exhausted by the human activities. On the other hand, exhaustible natural resources are present in limited amount in nature and if we not use them wisely, it can be exhausted like forest, coal, petroleum, etc. In this chapter, we will learn about some exhaustible natural resources. Some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum, natural gas were formed from the dead remains of living organisms. So these are also known as fossil fuels. So first we see about coal. You have seen coal in which is used to cook food. It is hard as a stone. It is as hard as a stone and it is black in color. It is used to cook food. In earlier days, it was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. It is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity and it is also used as fuels in various industries. Now, how coal is formed? Why it is called fossil fuel? About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed, and the temperature also rise as they sank deeper and deeper under high pressure and temperature. Dead plants slowly converted to coal, as coal contains only carbon. So the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Dead vegetation convert into coal. This is a slow process. So conversion of dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, that is why it is called fossil fuel. When coal is heated in air, it produces mainly carbon dioxide. It produces carbon dioxide gases. When coal is processed in industry, we get some useful products such as coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Now we see about coke, which is the product of coal. Coke is tough, porous, and black substances and black substance. It is almost pure form of carbon. It is also used in the manufacturing of steel and in the extraction of many metals. It is used in manufacture of steel and extraction of many metals. Now second product of coal is coal tar. It is black, thick liquid, black and thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. Coal tar is a mixture of many substances. The various substance, we get various substances which is used in our daily life and in industries like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, and naphthalene balls, which is a moth and insect repellent. All these products we get from coal tar. Next product is coal gas. It is obtained when coke is prepared